Hey guys, what's up? This is me, Alice Pack, as you know, Jake the Duke, and I'm making another video for my server. We thought about making auditions for stuff to make in Spawn. So we're gonna make, like, if you tell in the video response saying I'm auditioning to make this in Spawn, and me and Faller 47 will think about which one to pick, and then we'll give you an area to put it in, and we'll put give you some stuff in game in the server and credit for the build. So yeah, so all it really is just build something like really epic, because we need stuff that's really epic. We're making a carnival, as you see here. It's probably gonna be like right here probably, or over there. So yeah, we really want people to have a chance to build some stuff that's really epic. So if you can, want to, I guess, audition for this, you can have your chance and you can be popular on my server, and we can give you some stuff in game. So yeah, and some other updates. We also, if you're auditioning, you can talk with us in Skype, and we can you can tell us some if you want, tell us some plugins that would really help the server out. And I will look at them, and if they are ones that we need or not, I will add them and give you credit for that. Because we do need some. I feel like we need more plugins. But
I think the server crashed. Yeah. Don't worry, guys. We're getting more memory.
Yeah.
It's just gonna take a couple days more.
Yeah, we're gonna get more memory. It's just I need this what's it called? Take out the server log is huge. So yeah, guys. If you really wanna hang out with us and stuff, audition, video response. All right, guys. See you later. Bye bye.